Hi, motorcycle rider ka ba? I've heard the news, napakaraming catastrophic event about sa riding, naman na may nagbo-motor. I want to share this verse sa iyo, kapatid, na God will protect you. Sabi nga dito sa Psalms chapter 121 verse 7 to 8, the Lord will keep you from all evil. He will keep your life. The Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forth and forevermore. So yun, I believe, pag tayo nag-pray, before tayo sumakay, before tayo mandar, pag uwi, mag-thank you tayo kay Lord. Alam mo, God is guiding you. I know, nadami natin nakikita sa news na maraming samang balita. Pero, pray. Hapit siya kay Lord. Ipagtitiwala mo kay Lord ang iyong biyahe. Ipagkatiwala mo kay Lord ang iyong pag-rides. So yun lang, it's a reminder for you and for me na kay Lord tayo humingi ng protection. So yun lang, God bless.